Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account because you will change system-level controls. Open Settings, go to System, then Notifications and Actions to find Overlay and Quick Action options. Once there, turn off any transient overlays that might host the on-screen volume. Next, open Control Panel, right arrow sound to check playback device properties, since some drivers add OSDs. Make sure to close media apps and disable keyboard hotkey software to prevent conflicts before moving to driver or registry edits. You now focus on the middle steps. Identify which component draws the on-screen volume, often the audio driver or a vendor utility. Open your audio driver's control panel, Realtek, Nahimic, Dolby, and disable any OSD or on-screen enhancement. If that fails, open Task Manager, find helper processes like Volume OSD, EXE or hotkey utilities, and disable startup or uninstall them via Settings right arrow apps. Once done, reboot to ensure the app or driver no longer injects the volume overlay. For the final steps, you either update or roll back the problematic driver in Device Manager. Choose Update if you want the vendor fix, or roll back to eliminate a recent OSD introduction. If the utility refuses removal, back up the registry and remove the specific OSD-related keys as instructed by your driver vendor. Make sure to export keys first. Reboot and test changing volume. Troubleshooting tip: if the OSD returns, restore your registry backup. Then perform a clean driver uninstall using safe mode and reinstall only the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.